So the same month that I lost every social media account I had, which was TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all of it gone, I made $2,485, and I'm going to show you how that was even possible. So I'm going to show you exactly where this money came from, why losing my platforms didn't stop it, and the one built-in feature of the program that I use that makes all the difference. Now this $2,485 came entirely through Digital Magnetic System, the high ticket affiliate program that I promote. I earn 90% commission every time someone buys through my link. There's no inventory, no website that I had to build personally myself, and absolutely no laptop required. This was not one lucky sale. It was actually 7 separate payments from 7 different people through that same program. And here's the part that matters, is that none of these 7 payments came from a platform I was actively posting on in that month, because by the time most of them landed, I couldn't post at all. Now, because that same month I lost every single account, being TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everything gone, years of content, followers, everything that I had built disappeared literally overnight. If my income depended on that platforms, then this video would be a completely different story. Now here's why it didn't stop. Now, one of the reasons I actually love Digital Magnetic System is that it doesn't just teach you how to sell. It comes with a fully built, fully automated system that's already built in. The way it works is simple. You post on social media, that traffic goes to a website that's already set up for you, and that website now feeds into an automated system. And every single person who comes through it becomes part of your email list. You're not manually collecting emails. It's happening automatically in the background every time someone engages. Now that's exactly what happened in my case. I built that email list through my social media, and over time, without even thinking about it as a backup plan, it was just part of using the system. I had a list to fall back on. And while I was rebuilding my socials from scratch, I was still emailing that same list, still making sales, and still earning, completely independent of whether I could post that day or not. This is one of the biggest perks inside Digital Magnetic System that people don't even talk about enough. You're never fully relying on social media. There's a built-in backup plan automatically building itself the entire time you're posting. I mean, followers can disappear overnight, and they did for me, completely out of my control. But an email list built through an automated system, no algorithm, no platform, and no policy can take that away from you. So if you're building anything online right now, you're even just starting, this is exactly why I point you towards a system that does this automatically, instead of trying to piece one together yourself. You shouldn't have to choose between growing on social media and protecting your income. With DMS, you're doing both at the same time without the extra work. But here's what I really want you to understand about Digital Magnetic System, is that everything I made this month, that was $2,485, was at 90% commission. But I didn't have to reinvest a cent to earn it again the next time or the time after that. This was built on a one-time purchase into Digital Magnetic System. One investment, and from there, you can literally earn on repeat. The automated system, the email list, the sales, all of it keeps working long after your first purchase. So if you want to learn exactly how to build an online income this way, a system that builds your email list for you, protects you if your socials ever disappear, and pays you 90% commission on repeat from one single investment, comment the words rebuild below, and I will personally send you everything you need to get started. One-time purchase, earn on repeat, comment rebuild. I'll meet you in the comment section. So if you're a South African watching me right now, do you know there's actually 5 ways that you could earn as a South African, literally from the comfort of your home? I suggest you go and watch the next video that's on my channel, 5 ways to earn as a South African.